Everybody, welcome everybody. We're coming to you from Brooklyn, New York. It's a beautiful time, everybody. You got the BC original rehearsal. And I got a new song. We got BC guitarist all-star. And we got a nice tune for you. Oh, am I am plug-in. This new song is called Brooklyn Soul. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Crown Heights, Best East New York. Either call Brooklyn, yeah, let's go. I got the Brooklyn soul, got the Brooklyn soul. I got the Brooklyn soul, you got the Brooklyn soul. We all got Brooklyn soul. I feel the energy of the people right here. Spiritual rise. Hard times, we rise. Hard times, we rise. We got the Brooklyn soul. We got the Brooklyn soul. We got the Brooklyn soul. Yeah, bring all the young folks out here. Help me out with this song. Yeah. Yeah. We got the Brooklyn soul. We got the Brooklyn soul. Everybody stand up and dance. Hard times, we rise. Hard times, we rise. Oh yeah, hard times, we rise. We got the Brooklyn soul. We got the Brooklyn soul. Oh yeah, we got the Brooklyn soul. I got the Brooklyn soul. You got the Brooklyn soul. We all have the Brooklyn soul. I got the Brooklyn soul. Yeah, I got it. And you got it. And we all got it. We got the Brooklyn soul, everybody. Tough times, we rise. Tough times, we rise. We got the Brooklyn soul. Yeah, we got the Brooklyn soul. Bring all the young people out. We got the Brooklyn soul. Soul, everybody. That's my new song. BC guitarist. Recording for AllRightsReserved Records. We're coming for you to Brooklyn, New York. And we'll see you in your country, your town soon. Thank you for joining our digital concert. We appreciate you. All our subscribers and fans, thank you so much. Barbara Campbell, independent digital music artist, producer, creator. Thank you for this platform. Thank you.